camping trip to the Bruce Arms in Pewsey. Some incredible stops along the way. As part of the castle tour series, we're going to stop at the historic Farnham Castle and then the atmospheric Ludgershall Castle ruins, taking in the history and the charm of these amazing places. Then off to the Bruce Arms for an exceptional one-night stay. So taking a little pit stop at the Farnham Castle. Sure, it's a beautiful estate, big wedding venue, lots of bridal couples walking around here, but it absolutely is stunning. You can see the turrets in the background behind me there, but it is beautiful. Hair's a bit wild and woolly, need to get a haircut pretty soon, but this is absolutely exceptional. Part of the castle tour series. Thought we'd pop in, see what Farnham Castle has to offer. Okay, we've made it to the Ludgershall Castle ruins. They're absolutely spectacular, really pretty. I love old castles and old ruins. This was a royal residence in the 12th century and then it was destroyed. It was King Henry III who inherited the castle from his father, King John. Was an enthusiastic builder and evidently fond of Ludgershall. He visited at least 21 times and made many additions and improvements to the castle between 1234 and 1251. That is incredible. Let's go and explore a little bit. Can you believe that these stones have been here for 900 years? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. This is so beautiful. The kind of castle I've been looking to find. Imagine having built this, imagine having lived here all those years ago. Wow. Alright, we're by the Alton Barns and there is the giant horse on the hill. That must have taken a lot of time and effort to create that. Alright folks, I have arrived at the Bruce Arms. So there's the little pub. There's some nice outside tables. And then there's the campsite. There's a guy in his husky tent. It's obviously smashing the Salisbury flats out here. But it's very cool, man. Very, very cool. Alright peeps, all set up. Went and got some groceries for dinner. There's some horses. Can I zoom in this? Yeah, that is the zoom. And there's some people playing bocce ball. There's a very organized camp set up there. And there's some people having some bezzes there. Then there's a Sondero 4, same as mine. Sondero 6, which is the one a little bit bigger. And a really cool camper van. And then it's filled up quite a bit. But yeah, it's lekker. What an incredible day. I had some really beautiful riding today, and you've seen all the fantastic heritage sites that I've seen. But then got to the campsite, set up, went into the little town of Pewsey, got a few bits and pieces for dinner, got my pasta pockets, which were brilliant. But then met two guys that are doing some off-road touring. They're from Surrey, but doing some off-road touring today and tomorrow. Did 60 miles today off-road tracks. Really nice guys. One from Romania, one from Czechoslovakia, and we just had a brilliant evening. I didn't film it because it wasn't that kind of evening, but I will post some pictures. But what a fantastic night. We had an incredible barbecue and some pasta. This campsite's brilliant. It really is nice. So gonna call it a night. I might go ride with the boys on some off-road trails tomorrow. So we'll see how that goes. I'll keep you posted. Good morning. What a fantastic night's sleep. I probably didn't look the prettiest. I slept with my balaclava on, some decent thermals, but it was such a good night's sleep. Really, really nice. But that was a brilliant one night away. I'm going to pack up now. Don't think I'm going to go riding with the boys because I'm not sure the bike would cope actually. So I'll go out now, have a chat with them, grab a breakfast at the Bruce Arms, and then hit the way home. So I come with the lads, Jacob and Ollie, they're fueling up, filling the jerry can for their bikes, and then we're gonna go across for a breakfast to a nice little cafe across the road. So it was nice for the invite. So thanks for joining me on this episode, and we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.